What's poppin', slime? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're returning. I am your host, Golden Doe. Today, we will be watching 1974's horror cult classic, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre was directed by Tobe Hooper. Tobe Hooper also is the director of the movie Life Force, which has been requested, and I have it on my list, so I will be getting to that movie soon. He also directed the sequel to this movie, Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2, which I have not seen, but maybe I'll watch it one day, who knows. Starring in Texas Chainsaw Massacre, we have Marilyn Burns. Marilyn Burns was in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D, which came out in, I believe, 2012, 2013. Either way, she came back to the franchise after all those years, and I think that's pretty cool. Also starring in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, we have Edwin Neal. Edwin Neal has a lot of voice acting credits to his name, but I know him from a movie I have not seen in years, but it is a movie from my childhood called My Boyfriend's Back, and it is hilarious, and I love that movie so much, but I highly doubt anybody else even knows what that is. But anyways, yeah. But anyways, I have seen this movie before. I had a video up on YouTube, but it disappeared, so yes. Here we are. But it is a good time for me to do this upload because I actually watched the sequel, not the sequel. I actually watched the remake of this movie with my cousin, and I'm going to upload that one as well. So I'll have the original and the remake. So that's cool. So that works out perfectly. As I said before, this is a horror cult classic. And I believe this movie, some people give this movie the crown of being the original slasher movie, but I know Black Christmas also has that, and then there's some other older movies, some more obscure movies that also have that title, so no, who knows. But I really do enjoy this one, so hope you guys enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe, you know, the whole YouTuber jazz. But anyways, we're going to watch this movie, we're going to have a good time, we're going to talk some mess, and we're going to enjoy ourselves, so that's what we're going to do.
Fell a group of 5 youths. In particular, Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Robbing in Texas is this hour's
Why?
top news story. An informant led officers
Why
of the Muerto County Sheriff's
is it
Department
gooey?
to a cemetery. Oil storage units continue to burn out
Title
of control
card.
at the huge Texaco refinery near the Texas-Louisiana border. 3 storage units.
Why are they listening to this on a road trip? In the 70s, shouldn't it? There's a ton of music they could be listening to. How did that happen?
This heat is just driving me crazy. I don't know
Bruh, he did.
The condition of
Cover that up,
vegetation
son.
is contrary.
My granddaddy's buried here. Can we find out if anything happened to him?
What's your granddaddy's name?
Honey, that big, heavy feller to stand with that flashlight in his hand, that's a shit.
Things happen here about they don't tell about. That an old man. There's them that laughs and knows better.
Bruh.
Hey, that's the old slaughterhouse.
Oh, that's awful.
They usually wouldn't kill him on the first lick.
Oh, what?
I mean, they'd start squealing and freaking out and everything, and then have to come up and bash him 2 or 3 times. And then sometimes it wouldn't kill him. I mean, they'd skin him sometimes even before they were even dead.
What? That's barbaric.
Boom! Goes boom! And then
Franklin, I like meat. Please change the subject.
That's terrible. It's still going on.
Oh, wow, look at his arms. He's really actually scarred up.
Should we pick him up?
Oh, yeah, man. Pick him up.
Nope.
He'll asphyxiate out.
Hell
does he look
no.
like?
Well, the son of a bitch is gonna smell just like the slaughterhouse.
I would love this shot so much. Beautiful horizon shot.
Place. Oh, no.
How did you
Oh,
get stuck
wow,
around
what is
here?
that?
I was at the slaughterhouse.
They use everything. They don't throw nothing away. They use the jowls and the muscles and the eyes and the ligaments and everything.
That sounds like it should be illegal.
So they boil it down into a big jelly of fat. Wow, I didn't know that's what was in that.
Jelly of fats. And then how do you eat head cheese? Do you eat it on crackers? Do you eat a head cheese sandwich? Do you use it like actual cheese? That don't even sound appealing. Head cheese? Oh no.
What are you doing?
he is caressing this knife here. Oh, it's a dull knife, so you can tell he had to push pressure on it and then slide it. You're not well. You are not well, sir. We have to pull over.
I have this knife.
I'm surprised you don't have a Bowie knife. Why are they still driving? I mean, come on now. There should be some reason for alarm. So you were digging in, taking pictures? Look at it. It's dripping.
Take me to my house. I live right off this road.
Why are you laughing? This is not amusing.
Pretty much of a hurry. How close?
It's real close.
Well, couldn't you just walk?
Then why'd y'all pick him up in the first place?
Hey man, what are you doing? Man, what are you doing?
Oh my god. That arm gonna need to come off. Y'all should have been kicked his ass out of there. I don't understand why they driving off so slow.
Oh, I'm about half ready to call a cop.
That's the last
Half ready to
goddamn
call the
time I
cops?
ever-
What you mean half ready? Oh, some people are just so generous.
Hurry up.
I need to get that blood off that car. And out the car. He was dripping all in the car.
Hey, I bet that's some of that guy's blood.
Ugh.
at that. Look at that.
Don't play
Think
with
it's
it. Bloodborne pathogens, y'all.
Going out to Grandpa's place.
Let's go.
Hey, that guy smeared blood all over the van. Looks like this.
I don't know. Why did he do that? Was it like some voodoo? Something? Ew, swarm of spiders. Woo! Is that a spider nest? That was a spider nest, and they were just like in a little ball. Oh, he wiped his mouth with that same rag. I feel bad for him.
I have any more fun today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it.
Oh, yeah, he having a real bad day. He fell down the hill with his pecan and spilled pee all over him. He got cut up by a crazy person. Now he left him down here.
Or, give him a couple bucks. We gotta come back by here anyway. I can pick up my guitar and give him a couple more dollars and bring him back some gas.
They don't want your guitar.
What are you being nosy? You being nosy. Oh. Where did that come from? Why would you pick that up? Oh, that's so weird. Ugh. Right? Let's go. Don't split up, gang.
Hey, Pat, come look at this.
What? No.
No, don't. Why are you inviting people into other people's house? Why? Homeboy, come on, dog.
Hello?
This ain't your house. Whoa. That junk sounded nasty. I don't know. I wonder why his body started twitching like that. That's the least bit of worries, is a chicken in a cage. And furniture? Out of bones? Oh, that just looking in there makes me itch. What is that all on the ground? Oh, she breathing in all of that. Oh goodness. Just. Oh no! That is terrible. terrifying. He is just manhandling her. She can't do anything. He just hung her up there like it was nothing. No second thought. Like literally like it was a slab of meat. Just pow. Oh, hook in back. Don't split up, gang. Come on. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Is anybody here?
Damn. Oh, this is a crappy situation.
Are you guys in there? Kurt?
Ugh. So creepy.
Look for him. You don't have to go.
Now, Sally, don't.
How you can't leave him by himself right there? Don't split up.
Look, I'm gonna honk the horn one more time.
Just give me...
No, Sally, we can't go.
Why are they fighting right
Came
now?
back and we weren't here.
Franklin, give me that flashlight.
Flashlight. Oh,
Give me
Why
that
is she fighting him so hard?
I'll go with you. I'll
I
go with you.
can't push it down that hill.
Sally, look, I know. Wait a minute. I'm coming with you. Sally, hold up.
Oh wow, this is unfortunate.
All right, let's go. Wait. I thought I heard
Oh, that's gotta be so.
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh, damn. Damn, that's cold. He didn't even go in your house, so now I ain't even. I mean, you.
Please.
Oh, look at that. Feel like he made a Play-Doh. Gross. That same prop was in The Howling. Ugh. That body was like it was long been dead. Poor Sally. She just running. Just where's she going? Where's she gonna go? And this big ass dude chasing you with a chainsaw. Chainsaws are not light for him to be running, swinging it. This is horrifying. Why is he chasing her? I really don't understand.
Whoa there.
What is that? That don't look like a cow part. Did he just bring a sack in there? And rope with a smile? You bastard. Just beating her with a broom, bro. I'm sorry. That's ridiculous. Ugh. Please don't. Ugh. That rag is filthy. Why is he doing all of this? Why are you putting her in a sack? What in the world is he? I don't understand this person. This guy is a lunatic.
Brother, get to that door. Yeah, he's got no right in his hole. Get her.
Oh! There's arms on the chair.
You just take it easy there now. But we'll
How he
fix
keeps
you
telling
some
her to
for a few
take it
minutes,
easy?
huh?
This is oof. This whole house just an atmosphere of hell no. Oh, that's so disturbing. That's torture right there. That is disgusting and you can't do nothing about it. Oh my God, those must be one of her friend's arms on that chair because they look fresh. Is that one of their faces?
We were just having fun. You think this is a... Shut up, you bitch hog.
Bitch hog, you struck a nerve right there.
Work? Work. I just can't Take no pleasure in killing.
That's even worse that they just laughing at her torment.
Get on with it. I won't have this.
Can he even hold anything? Like, that thing is, that's a mummy, bro.
My old grandpa's the best killer there ever was. Old grandpa's the best. It won't hurt a bit.
Bruh, that is not a live person. You stop trying to make this thing work. I thought you didn't take no pleasure in the killing, you ass. You do what you gotta do. Oh, she can't get away with one leg? Whoo! He got his comeuppance. He got run over a few times. Black Maria to the rescue. Peel out. Peel out. Ha! Bow. Oh my God, look how bloody she is. The chainsaw dudes. I wish somebody would have came around here and just hit his ass. So, that was Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This movie is so great. It's so suspenseful, and even the way it's shot, and you can feel like the atmosphere. Like, you can tell it's really hot and it's really stinky, and everything is just really kind of ugh in this area. And I just love how the characters aren't your average teens. Like, they're not teens going to drink and party and you know the whole cliche thing. They just going to check on the cemetery to make sure their grandfather didn't get stolen, and that's a consequence of them stealing bodies out of the cemetery. Literally, if they hadn't been doing that, they would have never had to come and check. That's crazy. That's unfortunate. Like, wow. That Sally, she survived, but she didn't survive. She was hysterical. She's all cut up, bloody. I can't imagine her to be mentally stable after that. She saw her brother get chainsawed right in front of her. Like, that is harsh. Leatherface. I wonder why they call... I mean, I know why they called him Leatherface, but I never thought that it was his family that called him that. I thought, pop culture called him that. But that's interesting. How I would love to see how that, well, no, prequels are not ever really a good idea, so never mind. But anyways, that was an excellent movie. But anyways, like, share, and subscribe. You know the whole YouTuber jazz. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching a movie with me. And you know how I do. It's always a pleasure.